But this is the really big find. In the spare wheel well of the car, it's a Breitling Colt automatic 13035 watch. It was in a bag with a load of golf tees, golf scores, so I think the previous owner must have just taken it off to play golf, forgotten about it, or had the accident and the car got towed away, not sure. I've been to Breitling in Bluewater yesterday, and this is the real deal. The main issue is it's missing the crown wheel. Breitling wanted like to do a full service of 500 quid. Now the watch is worth, second-hand retail, I've looked at a few of the like the watch finder type sites, and these go for about £1,500 second hand. Bear in mind I've only paid £500 for the car, what a find. So I'm going to have to invest some money in it. I've emailed a couple of independent watch restorers today. I understand Breitling stuff is, they're fairly difficult to get hold of, like second hand parts, but I've emailed a couple of like high-end guys where you send it off to them that were recommended on a few forums I've been on, and I'll see what comes back. I'm not going to, I mean, if I have to spend £500 to get £1,500 back, it's worth doing, but obviously I'd rather spend it on a independent guy and maybe get a better deal. Not bad, eh? I couldn't believe it when I found it. I just assumed it was fake to not get too excited. But Breitling took it and were quite happy to say it was genuine and were quite happy to service it, and they wouldn't offer to service it if it wasn't real. I'm so chuffed. I mean, it's what a bit of luck that last thing I expected to find. I mean, I watched a few YouTube channels and I know guy from Unwreck, Todd from Unwreck, found some golf clubs, and I've seen a couple of guys find some cash and some stuff. But this isn't too bad, is it?